We know a lot of people have been spending time indoors. Everybody's anxious to get outside. Maybe you can't do that. So I love that you have some great ideas for indoor plants.
Right, because not everybody can get outside and you need to bring some life indoors. So these are all Jeff approved plants that you can bring indoors for indoor gardening, and they actually are beneficial. They help purify a lot of the air. Exactly.
So you're starting with maybe some of we can't kill this.
Yeah, we can't kill this.
Difficult.
To some, you might be able to kill this, but it takes a little bit of time.
Okay.
So the first one here is the easiest one, and this is the spider plant. And spider plant can take low light, it can take high light, it can take a lot of water, it can take no water. It's just gonna take, it's very hard to kill this one here.
Okay.
So the next one is, I like to give different names to these things. So this is the gargantuan ivy, but I also call it, the real name is Algerian ivy.
It's beautiful.
But ivy does great indoors, very low light, a little water. And this is something you could sit by the bedside or in a bathroom.
And these are really unique here in front.
They're kind of succulent-y here, but this is called the peperomia. And again, it's just easy, low light, low water, something that you could put, on a tabletop or coffee table in your living room.
This next one's super popular with the millennials.
It is super popular, super trendy. This is the mother-in-law's tongue, or snake plant. Now this one is low light to practically no light to practically no water. So this one's a great one that you can have either in like a corner of a room.
And then you have some great varieties of ferns.
Lots of cool ferns. Ferns are a little bit different inside, so you might kill some of those as a learning
But they're
curve.
so cheap. You can
they're
just
so
toss
cheap
them,
you can
right?
just get a new one, and they're easy to take care of.
Okay, what is this here?
So that is called the Tradescantia.
Seriously?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's super easy to take care of. You can break those little stems off, Claudia, and you can root those, and you can have plenty of those indoors.
All right, for all the indoor plant ideas, go to wallitch.net.